Major malfunction yesterday. Way out in San Diego, and it's just stopped running. Made some terrible noises when it stops. I'm going to kick it over for you so you can hear the remnants of the noises. All I did was bring it home. I haven't analyzed anything. It sounds like it's coming out of the front cylinder. I think the piston broke, but it could be the connecting rod. I'm not sure yet. I probably won't know until I open it up. But in the meantime, listen to this. Ready? How's that noise sound? Not good, huh? Sounds like the connecting rod bouncing around in the cylinder. So, I'm going to run some quick checks.